white-tailed deer. I call them the phantom of the forest. They're ghost-like figures, silently moving through the woods. So quiet, with each cautious step they take, trying not to break any branches or avoid obstacles. There's predators out here. Coyotes, bobcats, and possibly panthers. It's a cold night, and the steam is rising from the warm, swampy water. As the deer silently move through the cypress swamp. They'll be back here at first light. White-tailed deer are crepuscular, meaning mostly active during twilight hours, but they will come out and forage during the day, come out for a drink, especially when temperatures are lower. They sure are beautiful animals. You can see that thick fur. Deer always remind me of horses, even though they're not closely related. They do have similar traits, very gentle and skittish. Whoa. And playful. I think this crow and deer are friends.